Colt 45 I made from popsicle sticks. Let's get into the review. Since I've been making swords and crossbows and knives, I figured I'd try my hand at making a pistol. I started by laminating a few pieces of popsicle stick together and gluing some toothpicks in to become the trigger guard. Also added a toothpick as a barrel. I used the gun above for reference. I used some super glue and cornstarch to fill in some of the gaps and start shaping it. I started carving in some of the details, like the ejection port. I used some scrap wood to add some detail. I carved in some cross-hatching for grip. I covered the handle with some clear Flex Seal and then covered it with this multi-purpose sealer before painting. It took a little while, but I let the sealer dry before I started painting. I mixed Liberty Blue and Goodnight Blue together to give it a gunmetal blue color. Didn't quite turn out as I had planned. I mixed Goodnight Blue with black to paint in some of the details. I think I'm going to end up repainting it black to where it looks like this gun here. It ended up a little bit too blue. The blue ended up drying a little bit brighter than what I thought. The base of the gun turned out alright. I really liked how the wood handle turned out with the Flex Seal. Really made it pop. I think I'll end up just repainting it all black. Maybe try to add a little bit of weathering or something like that. It came out pretty close to the gun I used for reference. He holds it pretty well in his gung-ho grip hands. I haven't tried it in any other hands yet, but I think it should work just fine. I think when I try to make one of these guns again, I'll try to make it where the clip comes in and out. I think it looks alright though. This is the first gun I made using popsicle sticks. I think I'll make some more. Maybe even try to make some rifles. We shall see. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment, ask questions. I appreciate that you spent your time watching this, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks again. And remember to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.